10 Amazing Health Benefits of Drinking Water. Water is essential for life. Not only does it make up a large percentage of the human body, but it also plays a vital role in keeping us healthy. Drinking plenty of water has many health benefits, including better digestion, weight loss, improved mental clarity and energy levels, and even younger-looking skin. Here are 10 amazing health benefits of drinking water. 1. Drinking water helps to flush toxins from the body. Toxins can cause a variety of health problems, so it's important to get rid of them as often as possible. Water is an effective way to do this, and it also helps to keep the organs functioning properly. 2. Drinking water helps to regulate the body's temperature. When you're hot, drinking water can help cool you down. And when you're cold, drinking water can help warm you up. 3. Drinking water boosts your energy levels. If you're feeling tired and lethargic, a glass of water may be all you need to perk up. 4. Drinking water aids in weight loss. Water can help to boost your metabolism and burn calories. 5. Drinking water helps to improve digestion. It can help to dissolve fats and soluble fiber, and it also helps to move food through the digestive tract. 6. Drinking water is great for your skin. It helps to keep it hydrated and looking healthy. 7. Drinking water can help to lower your risk of heart disease. It helps to keep the blood flowing smoothly and reduces the risk of clots forming. 8. Drinking water can help to reduce the risk of cancer. It helps to flush out carcinogens and other toxins from the body. 9. Drinking water can help to reduce the severity of headaches and migraines. 10. Drinking water is essential for overall good health. It keeps your body functioning properly and helps to prevent health problems. So make sure you drink plenty of water every day. There you have it, 10 amazing health benefits of drinking water. So make sure you drink plenty of water every day for optimal health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.